So you guys are gonna love this. Current project I'm tearing down, 81 GL 1100 Goldwing. And I got everything down. This is, we're removing the engine right now. And I thought I had everything. I dropped the frame rail. Everything looked good until it just wasn't falling. So here you go. You gotta catch the last bolt. There's a frame mount bolt right here. It is secure and that engine's not going anywhere. So I even have the axle, the drive axle completely free. I already drained the oil. This must be the oil dipstick. There was more water in here than oil, so I wonder if the oil was already drained. There was like no oil. Oh, that's just the fill. Okay, so there was no oil in here. So I questioned whether or not there was oil in here to begin with when I got it. So this is why this bike's shot. Somehow they blew a hole through the piston, and I don't know. That's what happens. I don't know why that happens, but apparently it happened like 2 or 3 times to this guy, and he just gave up and sold everything, and I have the bike. So anyway, I got to remove this. It looks like a 19 millimeter, and this engine should be free. But that's an update on me today. Hopefully I can get this thing stripped down before I call it quits today. Here is the beauty of a Goldwing without an engine. Just look at the majesty. You can see the dog on the other side. Hi. She's helping me. So there you go. No engine. Time to rip out the fuel tank, disconnect the front and the rear, and the brakes and such. Now, some of these parts are gonna fit my CB900C. So I'm gonna be saving some of this stuff, but I may end up just selling everything. I don't know. I haven't decided whether to rejuvenate that CB900C or not. But finally came to grips with the fact that this Goldwing is not going to run, and I'm not going to mess with it. So stripping it down, saying hi to a dog, and it's a good night's work.